Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix can't connect to Rainbow Six Siege server. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here is to open up Steam, right click on it, go to properties, install files, browse. Here what you need to do here is to copy the path of Rainbow Six Siege, then go back and on search you just need to write virus and threat protection. Then what you need to do here is to look for virus threat protection, then select virus threat protection settings, manage settings, scroll down a bit, exclusions, add remove exclusion. Then what you need to do here, add an exclusion folder and paste that particular folder, then press uncommon and then select a Rainbow Six Siege. And then what you need to do next is to go to Windows Defender Firewall, Windows Defender Firewall, and then look for allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, change settings, allow another app, browse, and then you just need to add exe and BE files here, one by one. If you get this error here, don't worry, this means Rainbow Six Siege is already added and it's working. Then what you need to do here, if this did not help, open up browser, then you need to go to server status R6, and then you need to look if the server is not down. In this case, it's not down, so we can proceed with other steps. If it's down on your platform, you just need to wait. You can't do basically anything about it. Then test your internet speed. If you're getting good internet speed, you're good to go. And if you don't, maybe limit some devices and restart your router. And then what you need to do here, you just need to go to settings or CMD, right click on it, run as admin. And then here, you need to look for write ipconfig /flash DNS. Another command is /winsock reset. After that, restart your computer. Other thing you need to do here, you need to go to settings, network and internet, advanced network settings, and then network reset and reset your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your Wi-Fi password again. If you're using internet cable, you're good to go. You don't need to do here nothing. Then open up control panel. Then select small icons in network and sharing center. Then select change adapter settings. Find your internet connection, right click on it, properties. Double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes, look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, write run, then or press Windows Select key, then just write gpedit.msc. Then here, you need to go to Windows settings, policy paste QoS, right click on it, advanced QoS settings, DSCP marking override, and select control DSCP marking requests and select ignored. Okay. Then right click on it, select create new policy, write Rainbow Six Siege, right here 46. Then here you need to press next. I already got it, so you need to write Rainbow Six Siege. I will put R6 because I already got this thing here. Then you need to select only applications with this executable name. Then what you need to do here is to open up Steam. Right click on Rainbow Six Siege, properties, install files, browse. Then here you need to look for exe file. Scroll down a bit until you see Rainbow Six Siege. Right click on it, rename, and just copy the name. Then go back on policy, paste the name, write exe, and then press next. Then this window is good. Then you need to here just write TCP and UDP and finish. And then look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, what I suggest to do here, and I used this thing before, is exit lag. So if you're experiencing packet loss, high ping, no connection problems, use exit lag. I believe it costs a few dollars a month and it has free trial. I will leave the link in the description below so you can, or in the comments, so you can basically get through me, and for that I get a small commission. But when I got shit internet, I always use this and it helped me a lot with the lag, packet loss, and spikes and connection issues. All you need to do here is to download exit lag, search your game, in your case it's Rainbow Six here, and then you just need to apply routes here. And leave it open, run the game, and it should help you tremendously. But nevertheless, it has free trial, I believe 3 or 1 week, 3 days or 1 week. And the best part of it, you don't need to put any of credit card details. So it's a win-win to try. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.